Identify at least 6 characteristics of valuable information. First, accuracy. The information must be correct, reliable, and free from errors. Incorrect data can lead to poor decisions. Second, relevance. It should be applicable and pertinent to the decision or task at hand. Irrelevant information wastes time and resources. Third is timeless. Timeless. Information must be current and available when needed. Outdated information can lose its value and may not reflect the present situation. Fourth, completeness. All necessary details should be included. Incomplete information can lead to misinterpretation and misguided decisions. Fifth, clarity. The information must be presented in a clear, understandable format. Complex or confusing data can hinder decision making. Sixth, lastly, is consistency. Information should be consistent over time and across different sources. Discrepancies between sources can create confusion and undermine trust. Business process versus business system. Many people use business system and processes interchangeably while they are related. There is a distinct difference between the two. Business decision definition. At their most basic business system are a series of connected processes that may or may not include technology. They break down into 4 key pillars: planning, people, processes, and technology. Business systems are generally more complex than processes because they include the execution of multiple processes, and as they mature, they often utilize technology to execute those processes more efficiently and with far less errors. Process definition. Processes, at their most basic, are a series of documented steps or tasks. A process like system may or may not include technology, which can often add to the confusion. Processes are often less complex than systems because they are created to move you to the next process or to achieve a specific outcome. Their difference, uh, you may be thinking, so what's the difference? And if that's you, great question. The quickest way to tell the difference between business systems and processes is by looking at some examples of each. When we're talking about business systems, we're often referencing relationship management or CRM systems, enterprise resource planning or ERP systems, quality management systems or QMS, inventory management systems, safety management systems, and human capital management systems, and etc. That said, we could also be talking about content creation systems, sales and marketing enablement systems, e-commerce systems, and a host of other systems you may find throughout your business. On the other hand, when we're talking about processes, we're often referencing things like generating an estimate, entering a work order, answering customer phone calls, generating pick tickets, counting inventory, packing orders for shipment, quality inspections, safety audits, creating a piece of content, and a host of other activities that need to be completed throughout your business. The easiest way to understand how they work together is by looking at the individual processes you and your team are executing to see how they fit together to form a more complex system. So for example, let's take the process of taking an order from a customer. Before we take an order, do we need to create an estimate? If so, what's the estimating process entail? If not, what do we do with the order after we've taken it from the customer? Where does it go next? There are plenty more questions that could be asked, but you can probably already see how the process of taking an order is just a part of a larger system that executes multiple individual processes to achieve the larger goal of driving growth of the business. We have here business systems are a serial of connected processes that may or may not include technology. Processes are a series of documented steps or tasks. Example of business systems are customer relationship management systems, enterprise resource planning system, quality management system, inventory management systems, and etc. Examples of processes: generating an estimate, entering a work order, answering customer phone calls, generating pick tickets, counting inventory, packing order for shipment, quality inspections, and etc. The quickest way to understand how they work together but are different is by looking at the individual process you and your team are executing to see how they are part of series to process that form a more complex system. Conclusion: what you learn about the differences between business process and business systems. We also have here the differences between business intelligence versus business analytics. Making smart business decisions, identifying problems, and being profitable demands and methods and tools are tools that turn data into actionable insights. Business intelligence and business analytics present data management solutions, while BI is often used as a foundation to answer complex questions. BA is more advanced. The two terms sound similar but serve different purposes. Understanding business intelligence versus business analytics is crucial to get the best from your data. We have here the examples. Characteristics, business intelligence, business analytics. So first from the characteristics is terms. We have here from business intelligence analysis, history and present to drive current business requirements. And for business analytics, the terms is analyzes historical data to drive current business. We also have here the characteristics application, suitable for all large-scale companies. That is for business intelligence. For business analytics, suitable for all companies where productivity and future growth are the goals. We also have the characteristics of usage. For business intelligence, we have here for present business operations. And for business analytics, we have here for business future operations. So what is business intelligence? Business intelligence is an infrastructure comprising strategies and technology used in enterprise industries for collecting and analyzing the existing business data that gives insights into the historical, present, and predictive events of business operations. BI gives comprehensive business metrics to support better decision making. BI also frameworks present, current, authentic, and visionary views of commercial operations. They mostly utilize the information gathered in an information stockroom or shop, and sometimes operational information. Data is the foundation of business intelligence. Data warehouse provide the raw information that business intelligence needs. With a large supply of accurate data to populate dashboards, BI teams can identify trends and predict new ones, perform statistical analysis, and evaluate ROI. Making data-driven business intelligence a decision is only beneficial for the business with the foundation of a reliable central repository of information. Is data warehousing part of BI? Usually, data warehousing is a significant part of an overarching BI architecture. Companies can have data warehouses that gather and store data. Then, the data warehouses can pass the data to business intelligence software that analyzes the data and makes sense of it. It's possible to have business intelligence without a data warehouse, but the organization wouldn't have the holistic understanding of trends that come with a comprehensive data warehouse. What is the distinction between business intelligence and data warehouse? A data warehouse, which stores information, is distinct from business intelligence, which has more to do with analyzing and interacting with the data to make better business decisions. And what is business analytics? Business analytics is the use of strategies and technologies to explore and extract insights and perform from historical business information for successfully driving future business plans, meeting customers' needs, and increasing productivity. It works on unused bits of knowledge and provides an understanding of business performance on the basis of information and measurable strategies. Key differences between business intelligence and business analytics. Now that you know the definition of the two terms, let's explore a complete the comparison of business intelligence versus business analytics. Current circumstances versus future events. The focus on the occurrence of events is the primary distinction between business intelligence versus business analytics, while BI concentrates on current and past events recorded in the data. BA focuses mostly on what is more likely to happen in the future. The two practices have different timelines for applying the results while using the same data. When your analysis concerns what is happening now and why business intelligence is your choice for data management, contrastingly, business analytics answer the question what is likely to happen next. Use BI to form strategies for current situations and BA for strategies that would impact future operations. Structured data versus semi-structured data. Applications are more suitable for structured data from enterprise application like ERP and financial software systems. It helps get insights from past financial transaction. Business analytics application suits both unstructured and semi-structured data, transform them into meaningful data before analysis, and then get insights from that data with thorough predictive analysis. Descriptive versus predictive approach. Business intelligence answers the two main questions. What happened in the past and what is happening now and why. It is descriptive and gives you detailed information. On the other hand, business analytics is mostly about predictive analytics. It identifies patterns in business data, suggests why things are happening, and forecasts the likelihood of future events. Its goal is to predict future events based on what's already occurred. It helps formulate better decisions and be prepared accordingly. Reporting versus applying. Data viewing and reporting is another point of difference between business intelligence versus business analytics. BI is simplified and has data arranged into easily comprehensively reports that brief the viewer on what is happening. Interactive dashboards, charts, and easy to read reports are commonly used with BI results. Business analytics takes a step further and goes on to reveal why things are happening by employing data applications and statistical analysis. Analysis versus managers. When studying business intelligence versus business analytics, it is crucial to consider the end users. While BI tools present understandable data to accountants, managers, and marketers, people without technical expertise. This information helps them make informed business decisions without needing the assistance of a data professional. Business intelligence requires basic math for calculating results, and the rest is done using BI software. It relies on the formulation of mathematical models, machine learning, querying, and artificial intelligence for proceeding. Business analytics is a little more demanding. It requires more information to parse and interpret useful information. Thus, it can efficiently be handled by data analytics with an analytics skill set who know how to build machine learning capabilities and have sound software application knowledge. Conclusion: what you learn about the differences between PA and BI. For me, business intelligence focuses on analyzing historical data to understand current performance, while business analytics or BA uses advanced techniques like predictive analytics to forecast future trends and guide decision making. BI emphasizes reporting while BA focuses on insights and optimizations. Thank you.